Welcome to the module on how to batch motions in the eCalWebFiling website. From the court's homepage, click on the eFiling website to access the eCalWebFiling system. Before logging into the eCalWebFiling website and selecting a batch option, your PDF files must be named according to the court's naming conventions and then compressed into a single zip file. Click on the USB-C home link to be redirected to the Electronic Filing Resources page to view the instructions on how to name your PDF documents and create a batch file. There are two links available on this page: the e-filing batch quick reference guide and the batch upload instructions for detailed information for specific filing types. The e-filing batch quick reference displays the batch type, the type of document you wish to e-file, the file name format to be used when naming your PDF files, and if there are any constraints that must be used to prevent duplicate filings or file names. You can also use the individual batch upload instructions to obtain detailed information for specific filing type. Here we have a sample of the motions, objections, and supporting documents instruction. If you click on the proposed order link, the instructions for that specific filing type will appear. This is the naming convention format. YYYY-NN is the number of the bankruptcy case or adversary proceeding in which the document will be filed. The XXXX is one of the following codes to indicate the type of document in the file. DDD-NNN represents the docket control number assigned to the motion or objection. Your named PDF file will look like this: case year, number, code, docket control number. First, save each document as a separate PDF file using the naming convention format. In this example, you will see that I have already named my PDF files. There are two different cases with the lead motion and supporting documents. Here are two examples of properly named PDF files in a motion with supporting documents. The first batch, here we have one case, 2003-55555, with the motion titled OID for other motion initiating document, along with the notice of hearing, declaration, support doc, and proof of service. They should all have the same docket control number. The second batch is a combination batch. Here we have two cases. One has a lead motion titled OID for other motion initiating document, along with the notice of hearing, declaration, support document, and proof of service. The other case has a lead pleading titled MTT-AMC for motion to terminate, annul, modify, or condition automatic stay, and all the supporting documents. You will notice this case has three declarations. This is when you would need to use the constraints to prevent duplicate file names. You will need to add one or more digits or letters or a combination of digits and letters to the PDF file name that will uniquely identify files that have the same case number, docket control number, and document code. The first declaration is DECL-MNO-1. The second would still have the same code name, same docket control number, but has an added -1 at the end to identify that it is a different file name. And finally, the last declaration has -2 as its unique added number. After saving and naming your PDF files, you must compress them into an archive or zip file. This allows you to upload one file containing all of your documents. To compress your PDF files, first click and highlight all of the PDF files you wish to include in the batch. Right-click on any of the highlighted PDF files and select the WinZip option on the expanded menu selection. Choose Add to Zip File from the context menu. The WinZip window opens. Click the New button and browse to the directory where you would like your zip file created. Enter the file name in the text box. There is no naming convention for naming your zip file. Click the OK button to proceed. Now click on the Add button. In the WinZip interface window, you should see a list of the PDF document files in the batch. Additionally, a zip file should exist in the directory. You are now ready to upload the zip file. Enter your eFiling username and password you received from the court. You must also check the Notice of Redaction box prior to clicking the Login button. Before selecting the Batch eFiling option, verify your current address. For this training demonstration, I will be uploading a motions batch. Select the Motions, Objections, and Supporting Documents radio button. After selecting a batch type, press the Browse button and search for the zip file to upload. Navigate to the location on your computer where your batch file is stored. Click and highlight the zip file. Next, click on the Open button to attach and upload the zip file. The zip batch file should automatically fill the text box beside the Browse button. Click on the Continue button to complete your upload. If your submission contains errors, it cannot be processed. A message will display a list of the files with errors as an aid to correct them. Once the corrections have been made, resubmit the entire batch. If no errors are detected, the next step when filing batch documents that may require a fee is to answer submission questions to determine if a fee is required. After answering the submission question, click on the Continue button to proceed. The submission verification screen appears. For you to confirm the following documents listed are the documents you wish to submit for filing with the court. The PDF icon appears next to the file name, allowing one last review of the document before submission to the court. If your documents are incorrect, click on the Discard Document button and start the process over. If your documents are correct, click on the button Submit Documents listed above to the court. The submission summary page appears. This confirms your documents were uploaded successfully. Each document filed will contain a confirmation number. You are now ready to proceed with payment to fully complete the transaction. It is the court's preference that you proceed with payment after each transaction. After you click on the Payment button, you will connect with Pay.gov. There are 3 simple steps to completing your payment. Step 1. Enter your payment information. Step 2. Check the box to authorize your payment. Step 3 is confirmation of payment. The e-filing confirmation screen now appears. This is confirmation that your documents were uploaded and paid for successfully. Each document contains a confirmation number. If you need to contact the court concerning a particular document, please refer to the confirmation number. This will provide the court with the mechanism for locating your uploaded documents. If you wish to e-file more documents, click on the Continue e-filing button. If you are finished, click on the Exit e-filing button or the Sign Out tab located at the top of the screen. You will receive 2 emails from the court. The first email is sent immediately to the filer confirming that your document was successfully uploaded and is awaiting processing. This email contains a summary of the submission details, file date, and a confirmation number. The second email you receive can occur within 24 hours or up to 72. When the process is complete and the entry is on the docket, the image document will be available on Pacer. The filer and any other registered users of the electronic filing system who have appeared in the case will receive an email. This email contains the docketing information as well as a hyperlink to obtain your free look. The free look may be used only once and will expire after the first use or after 15 days if not used. Any further attempt to use the link will provide access through the Pacer billing system and you will be charged 10 cents per page. For additional information, please contact the eFiling Help Desk at 916-930-4460 or 855-542-0992, or you can email us at efilers_helpdesk@caeb.uscourts.gov. Thank you for viewing the module on how to batch in the eCalWebFiling website.